Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mark Tutorial. Today we are beginning with the new letter H, the basic words of which 50 are presented henceforth. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Happy, Khush. She was very happy after hearing the good news. Hat, Topi. She wore a red hat at the party. House, Ghar. I live in a large house. Hand, Hath. She raised her hand to ask a question. Help, Madad. Can you help me with my homework? Hop, Udana. The rabbit hopped across the field. Hot, Garm. The soup is too hot to eat. Hard, Kathin. The math problem was really hard. Hungry, Bhukha. I am very hungry after the workout. Hurt, Chot Lagna, Dard. I hurt my leg while playing soccer. Hit, Marna. He hit the ball with a bat. Head, Sir. The doctor examined his head for any injuries. Hope, Asha. I hope we win the match tomorrow. Height, Unchai. The height of the mountain is over 10,000 feet. Heart, Dil. She has a kind heart. Heavy, Bhari. The box is too heavy for me to lift. Hill, Pahadi. We climbed to the top of the hill. High, Uncha. The plane was flying at a high altitude. Holiday, Afkash. We are going to the beach for a holiday. Happen, Ghatit hona. What will happen next? Half, Adha. I ate half of the cake. Hug, Gale lagana. She gave me a big hug when she saw me. Hurry, jaldi karna. We need to hurry to catch the bus. Heat, Garmi. The heat of the sun is intense today. Handful, Mutti bhar. He only had a handful of coins in his pocket. Hall, एक बड़ी सी जगह. The wedding ceremony was held in a grand hall. Hobby, shock. Painting is her favorite hobby. Hammer, Hatoda. He used a hammer to nail the wood to the wall. Hike, trekking karna. We decided to go on a hike through the mountains. Hum, gungunana. He began to hum his favorite tune. Hide, chipana. She hid the gift in the closet. Habit, adat. Reading before bed is a good habit. Hold, pakadna. Please hold my bag for a moment. Happen, ghatit hona. What will happen if we don't act now? Hero, Nayak. The firefighter was hailed as a hero for saving the children. Hire, kirai par lena. The company plans to hire new employees next month. Hurry, jaldi karna. You need to hurry if you want to catch the train. Hunt, shikar karna. The wolves hunt for food at night. Handle, sambhalna. She knows how to handle difficult situations. Hasty, jaldbazi. Don't make a hasty decision, think it through. Handsome, akarshak. He is a handsome man with a charming personality. Helpfulness, sahayata. His helpfulness made the project a success. Healthy, swasth. Eating fruits and vegetables is healthy. Honest, imandar. She is always honest with her friends. Hug, gale lagana. She gave him a big hug after a long day. Hilltop, pahadi ki choti. They reached the hilltop after a long hike. Honey, shahed. She added some honey to her tea to make it sweeter. Hand, heart. She raised her hand to answer the question. Hope, Asha. I hope we win the match tomorrow. Hockey. Hockey a game. He loves playing hockey with his friends every weekend. That's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.